Welcome to Calliope, the publisher. This video explores how published authority becomes the signal that AI trusts above all others, forming the core of the answer engine authority system. We are witnessing a search paradigm shift from algorithm to answer engine. AI search traffic is 5x more valuable per session. However, AI synthesizes answers based on entity weight, not by reading websites like Google does, making you potentially invisible. Books represent the oldest signal in the world, carrying immense weight in the AI training corpus. Key elements like editorial review, ISBN registration, and author attribution establish a trusted entity. The machine reads through a dual AI pathway. The training pathway uses historical data, while the retrieval pathway, or RAG, uses live data from sources like Bing and WorldCat. 80% of LLM citations don't rank in Google's top 100 search results. AI retrieves structured knowledge, not SEO pages. Your book may be invisible due to 3 dead book collisions: the dead asset, the orphaned asset, and the attribution collision. Each collision has specific symptoms from a human and AI perspective, and an antidote to resolve the issue. The publishing layer accounts for a critical 18 points of your total authority infrastructure in the AI foundation score. If your book suffers from a dead or orphaned asset collision, you are leaving these points on the table. A published book opens the pre-conscious gates of suggestibility. The trust gate asks if it is safe to believe this. The authority gate asks if someone trusted has vouched for this through publishing, review, and indexing. Different professions require specific signal actions to translate their book artifact into a priority signal for AI. For example, coaches use a named methodology book to create a distinguishable signal weight for a proprietary framework. Synthesis is the entity constellation. Writing the book is only 10% of the work. Connecting the entity is the other 90%. A book with an entity constellation becomes a publishing signal. The architecture of AI suggestibility is a 7-day sprint focused on activating books you already have. This involves establishing the foundation, creating the index, and completing the entity loop. Sprint days 1 to 3 focus on the foundation. This includes auditing your records, setting up author profiles, and implementing schema. Schema is the highest value technical action, feeding exact entity relationships to the machine. Days 4 to 5 focus on the index. The Bing connection is crucial as Bing powers ChatGPT search. The 90-day freshness signal, using elements like guest posts and indexed reviews, proves the book's current relevance. Days 6 to 7 complete the entity loop. This involves connecting your title, concept, and identity on LinkedIn, updating your Wikidata entity, and allowing the Google Knowledge Graph to absorb the reinforced signals. Calliope's compound law is the math of publishing. Multiple books don't equal a linear signal increase. They equal exponential confidence due to overlapping network validation. Compounding starts on day 1 of correct deployment. The diagnostic question is, if you disappeared from the internet today, what permanent indexed record would the AI find that proves you wrote what you claim to know? Completing this path means A, I can find and corroborate your record.